Right, these leaves is starting to colour cure. I'm going to show you how I monitor the temperature and the humidity here and outside. This is the sensor I normally have in my greenhouse. I put it in that plastic container, that way the irrigation doesn't get wet, it's just sitting up there like that. So I'll show you those. These are okay. It's currently about 61% in here. I can feel them, they're still wet. Right, here's my two temperature settings. This one's the outdoor one. It's connected to the internet. You can see I've had 14.3 mil of rain today. I can get a year's worth of data off this. It's quite good, but it was a nightmare to set up. YouTube helped me out, thank God, because the instructions weren't that clear. I do like it, it's good. Wind direction and speed, the whole 9 yards are in here. Now this one, that's the one I use for the greenhouse and when I'm colour curing tobacco leaves. So you can see it's 61%. I don't like it to get any higher than 70%. I have not calibrated these. There's a calibration process for this. I haven't done it. It's pretty right the way it is. This one there is no calibration process, but it's pretty close to being right. So that's that, and I'll get a screenshot of what I get off the internet for this one. Alright, now these make your life a lot easier, particularly predicting weather. You'll see the air pressure drop. I've had the air pressure down to 886 millibars, and that was when I think I had 180 mil rain that day. Okay, alright, I'll get the screenshot.